M0 FXB had a question about the presets on the Yaesu FTM300. So these presets are basically stored memory channels on when you're using WiseX. So we're connected to a hotspot, and we're going to just go through it step by step and learn this process. So the idea is that on what you can sort of store, you can store some memories that you can connect to in WiseX on the radio, and then you can store them and then bring them back and connect to them. So I'll show you what it looks like on the manual, the Yaesu manual. So on the manual, it says press and hold the F setup key, then you go to WiseX, select WiseX, then edit category, rotate the dial knob and select one of the C1 to C5, and then press the DISP key to store it. So that's how you store it, and then we'll look at how to recall it. Let's get into it first. Let's get into actually using it then, one step at a time. So first things first, let's connect to WiseX. So we've got our hotspot on. I'll just show you the settings. So if you look, at the moment we're connected to room CQAU, and we're on YSF. I've got the frequency set in our radio, which is 433.550. I'll just show you settings in configuration. Just click config. So look, the YSF is across here. We're in simplex mode. We're on an OLED screen. Devotee AMO selected there, and G4 KLX for the screen. The frequency, there's my frequency. My DMR numbers in there, it's not needed for YSF. M0 FXB, yeah, you definitely need a call sign in the radio, stored in the radio, to use YSF, and that I've named it there Pi Star, but I could have put YSF there. And then if you've got a normal simplex sort of style jumbo hotspot on a Pi Zero board, the very common one that we all use, this is your setting for radio modem, STM32 DVM DVM HS Raspberry Pi Hat GPIO. That's very important that you selected that. The rest I don't really change. This is the room that we're currently selected to, FCS 00290, so I'm just using it as a starting point. And that's it. So then just hit dashboard. We'll go back to the radio now and connect in. So when we connect in, we will connect in here, room 00CQAU. That's where we'll go, because that's where the hotspot is connected to at the moment. Now I didn't show you actually, I'll just show you. You can change that on the Pi Star board by, see this here, YSM System Fusion Configuration. There's a drop down menu, and you can actually, without using the radio, you can move around just using this system by selecting something here from the list. But what this video is about, using the radio and using the radio to move around. So we just go back to dashboard, and I'll show you how to connect to that system. Is connect to the WiseX system. So on our radio, it's a simplex channel. I mean, we could store it in the memory. It's in digital narrow. You can see the DN. So we're going to hit and hold the DX button here. You can hear that nice sound you get when you get into WiseX. So just first thing you do is, you can see it's saying that I am connected at the top, and at the bottom it's saying that I'm connected to 00CQAU. And that will change on your Pi Star dashboard on your computer. So, but let's just show you how to connect somewhere. So we'll hit search direct, and we go to all. Now, if we did go to search direct, then we could search for a specific station and see if they exist, and I'll show you that as well. It's a bit glary. See if we can dim it down. That's better. You can see the writing a bit better. So look, you can see that in C1 it's now showing that selection. Now I'm not sure if you get that choice if you have nothing stored. Maybe you do, but it's blank. But once you've got one in, that's going to help. So, and I'll show you how to add them. But first of all, hit search direct. Now actually that's sorry, that's my mistake. So hit all, and it's going to search the database. And then it's found a list of rooms. Now that list of rooms is basically similar or the same as the rooms that you get in the Pi-Star list that I just showed you. So you can now go down and choose one, you know, the popular ones, HubNet, CQ UK, America Link, things like that. But I'm actually trying to choose a quiet one. So not really sure. I think I'll just choose that one for now, and then we're going to see if we can add it to our C list. So we're going to push the volume, the channel change knob top right to connect. Sometimes it won't connect. Yeah, that's because it's not available. Oh, it did connect in the end. Well, that's good. Right, so it did connect in the end. Right, so if we look at our dashboard on our Pi-Star, we're going to see that that's changed. In the end, I took it to CQ UK because it actually hadn't changed. So now if we look at the dash, and that did work, and if we look at the dashboard of our Pi-Star, you're going to see that it's changed to CQ UK. So have a look there on the left. It says room 001 CQ UK. And then if someone spoke now, here on the right, it would go red. And so we're all connected in. Let's work out how to store this into our C1 to 5 list. All right, back at the radio. So what we do, hold down the F button, like so, and then turn the knob until you get to Y as X and it's in red, and then push the channel button. And then go down to number 3, edit category. And we've already got one selected or added. So now let's go down to C2 and then hold down the channel knob. Okay, holding down the channel knob didn't work. So now let's hold down the DISP button. Right, still not work. We'll keep trying. Instead of holding it down, let's just briefly press it. So we'll go to number 2 and then we'll just press it. No, it's still not storing. We're just going to work out why. Right, let's give it another go. So hold down the F. Got Y as X. Press the channel button. Select number 3. Edit category. So I think we've got to name it first. Go down and then now press the button again. Right, and first of all we've got to name it. So that channel, that's where I went wrong. So that channel was called CQ UK. So we'll go put that in, CQ UK. Okay. CQ UK, and I'm guessing to store that we just hold down the channel. Let's try. Yeah, we hold down the knob. Right, so it's in there. So we'll just go back like so. Back to where we started. we can see we're still connected to CQ UK. And another way you can go back, you can just literally just push the PTT and it will take you, let's just show you. I just push the PTT, so we're on the category thing and it takes you back. So the PTT acts like a back button. The other thing I noticed, if you just press the F key briefly, it says top, and you can just select top and it takes you to the top. So here we are connected for a while.
Presume I went into 001 CQUK, over. Yeah, okay, well, I was trying to connect to CQUK1 on my handheld radio on my Yaesu FTM300 via the Hotspot 3, and
Yeah.
for some reason...
So you can see that's working well. Now we're going to see if we can actually recall one of the categories. I'll just show you what it looks like when someone's transmitting. So look, you've got a red section here, and G0JAR, who we just heard, is chatting away on, and here it says CQUK. So that's what it looks like in use. So I'm going to back out of there by holding down the DX button. We're just pressing the DX. Sorry, just pressing it takes it into FM. Hold it down, and you'll back out of WiresX, and then we're going to go back in and see if we can actually select one of the categories. So we're back in. Might have to go to a place where there's no one talking. Yeah, because there's people speaking, I'm going to go configuration on Pi-Star. Go down here just to show you how the rooms change. Select a different room. So there's where we are now, 290. This is a way of moving if it's really busy. So let's try America Link WiresX. We'll just click apply changes. Right, so it's moved us to linked to FCS00290. Pi-Star has done that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to back out by holding down the DX button. And then I'm going to connect back into WiresX again by holding it down. All right, and then we're not sure what we're going to do next. We're going to have a look. All right, we're going to select in orange search direct. Now we could still do all and search direct, but we're going to try and actually connect to one of these rooms. Now, I notice it says category, so I'm wondering now if maybe we still haven't actually properly programmed what that room connects to. But anyway, let's just connect one. Let's select one and see what it does. So we'll go to C2 and I'll push the nod button. Yeah, it's just making a beep. So it's not acting like we can connect to that. So we go search direct again. Oh, this is for searching. So we just go, we'll do H and see if that finds HubNet. Let's go back. Okay. We'll put in HUB. Okay. No, we're still a bit stuck here. Right, we've moved away to a quieter room. So let's hit the WiresX button again. So we're in. We'll hit search direct with the channel button here. This time we'll go to YSF, but this time we won't hit the channel button or the F button. We'll try the DISP button. Now it's giving us satellite. Let's try holding it. It's quite nifty seeing the compass, but that's not what we're trying to do. That's what we're trying to do, is select one of these. So still no joy yet. Okay, so let's do search and direct again. We'll click search and direct, and then we'll put in, let's try the HubNet one again. Can't spell, can I? We'll just put in hub, because it should search. Put in hub. Then we're going to push and hold the volume button here. And it should search for HubNet. Now it might not find it under the word HubNet. No, it's saying it hasn't found it. So let's try the full name. Right, we've put in HubNet now. Let's hold it down. And if that doesn't work, we'll try a different one. We've put in the word. It looks like it's not going to find HubNet. We could try their number, or we could try just the word CQ and see what that finds. One sec. So we'll delete that. Let's go to the little X here. And we'll just put in the word CQ. And then we'll hold it down. It's got to find something in CQ, surely. Keep saying no data. So let's try search direct. This time we'll do a number. Yeah, try a number. Let me just get the number for HubNet. Let's just try 414, but this might be their room number. I'm not sure if this will work. We'll try it. 41461. And we'll hold down the volume button again. Doesn't seem to be finding it, does it? But that's how you search and then, you know, find things in that way. And if you click all, you'll get the list of everything, but we've already done that. There you go there. So, and HubNet is there. I know that if I turn to it and select it, it'll find it straight away. So when you're in a list and you're sort of scrolling down, when you've selected the all, you can, when you get to the bottom of that list, it automatically keeps going. So it makes a clicky noise, and then it keeps going. If I go to the bottom here, hear it click, it's going down the list. Right, we're still trying to work out how to add a room to our category. We created 2 categories earlier. We still haven't worked out how to put a room into the category so that when we select it, it opens that room. So we're going to go to the room here, which is American Rag Chew. Then we're going to press the F setup key. And that does nothing. Let's go back. Let's press and hold it. So what we want, according to the manual, I'll just show you the manual. It says, register a node or room. Rotate the dial knob to select the node or room, which we've done. Press the dial knob. Yeah, we can do that again. The menu list of the connected room is displayed. Okay. Then it says, press F setup key, rotate the dial to select the add. And so this is the bit we haven't found yet, where it says add and log at the bottom. Then press the dial knob, and then the category list is displayed. Rotate the knob to the category. We've already named a couple of categories. Sorry about the coughing. Rotate the dial knob to C1 to C5, yeah. Press the DISP key. The name of the currently connected node room is added to the registered node. And room lists. Press back. Okay, so this is what I can't find this bit where it gives me the add, and that's what I'm trying to find. Right, well, I think I'm going to message Yaesu. I've basically said to them, please can you help? I'm unable to set a node to a category when on wires X. I've read the manual, which basically says push the F button. When I push this F button, I should get the option here with a little add at the bottom, and then I can just add the currently selected, like for example HubNet, into the categories that I've already pre-named, and I'm not getting that choice. So I've emailed them and asked them, well, what am I doing wrong? Yaesu. So let's see what they say. So I just put this video on for now. I hope it helps. It's still interesting seeing it all work, because the next thing I got to find is how do I get the news to show up. So 7.3, all the best.